Welcome to 2022. This is the first video I'm making for 2022, and I'm going to be showing you how you should be crushing it in 2022. Whether you work a full-time job and you want to be able to quit that, or whether you want to make an extra $1,000 by the end of this month, I hope to clarify some things for you in this video. If you don't know me already, my name is Sergio. I run Sixtos Elite. I help other people start online businesses. I help other people make money online passively. Now, let's get right into it. I'm not going to give you any fluff. I'm not going to give you any BS. Now, I need you to understand this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not going to get you something overnight. So if that's something that you truly believe in, this may not be the right video for you. This right here is for people who actually want to put in the work to get results, such as planting a seed, letting it grow over time, and one day just blow up into something big. Guys, I did this. I've done it. I'm doing it now. So I'm in the trenches, so I know it works. I've helped other people do it. Of course, as you know, I do affiliate marketing. Basically, you are the middleman. You are recommending someone else's product. Now, the beauty of it is there's no heavy lifting on your end. The companies will pay you to be the marketer to drive traffic to their products. So it's as simple as this. Company A, let's say it's Apple, Amazon, Best Buy, Target. There are thousands of companies you can partner up with for free. For free. So that's a plus. The other thing about it is you don't even need to buy the inventory. So I've done this example before, but if I want to recommend these Apple AirPods, I don't physically need to buy hundreds of these and sell them for profit. What I'm doing is I'm partnering with Apple as an affiliate, creating simple little review videos about this, about how I like it, how it's benefited me or benefited others, basically getting eyeballs on this product. Apple will give me a special URL link tied to me, a special affiliate link. So at that point, if someone asks me, hey, where did you get those AirPods? I can send them my affiliate link or my website. And if that person happens to purchase those AirPods through me, I make a commission. I make a percentage of the sale at no extra cost to that person. So whether that person goes to apple.com or whether that person goes through my affiliate link, they will pay the same price. The only difference is I can get a piece of the pie. That's something that you can do too. The amazing thing about it is, if you remember, you don't need to deal with inventory. So once that person goes through your affiliate link and makes a purchase, it's Apple's job there. Apple will do the shipping. Apple will do the customer service. If that person's not happy with that product, Apple will deal with the return. Your only task is to drive the traffic there, to get the eyeballs there. I did this as a side hustle, but I took it seriously. I didn't see this as a hobby. I took it seriously while I worked as a school teacher. So I partnered up with a company who was teaching people how to build their own online business at the time. I was a complete beginner. I was working as a school teacher, but I focused on that. I'm like, okay, I feel this company can help others, and I can do it 1 to 2 hours a day. Let me create some content about it. So while I worked as a school teacher, I would show up in the mornings in the parking lot, create a video about this same product, and lead people to that company page. Once that happened, that company did the heavy lifting. It was no risk to me. I believed in the company, but I didn't have to physically deal with any purchasing or any processing of the orders. Nothing. My job was just to get eyeballs on there, get one person from point A to point B, and make money passively. I don't see why you should not be doing this or why you can't do this. You don't have to be technologically savvy. You just have to really look at why you want to do something like this. If you're tired of being in the situation you're at right now and you want something that's low risk, you could do it from anywhere. You don't even have to pick up the phone. You don't have to go door knocking. You don't even have to recruit people. This is not an MLM. This is not a pyramid scheme. I don't see why not. Let me break it down for you a little bit more here. Let me move myself out of the screen, out of the way. Here we go. This is basically what I'm talking about. I'm creating a little bit of content. Let's say I want to focus on Instagram. Instagram is very, very powerful. I could create a page all about these AirPods. All about these AirPods. I can do little videos. I don't even have to show my face. I can pull out my phone, do a little video reviewing these AirPods, the size, the dimensions, the quality, things like that. And I basically lead them down a funnel to a sales page. If that person buys, cool, you get a piece of the pie. You're probably wondering, okay, what's all this right here? This is basically how my business runs on autopilot. If somebody wants to go from my Instagram page to the Apple product page, I first request their information. I'm having them opt in. Okay, you want the Apple product? Please provide your email and your name. Now, once you enter that, you can go through landing on the sales page of Apple. The reason I do that is if that person doesn't buy, I still have their information here and I could follow up with them later with other related products. Maybe they didn't want Apple. Maybe they wanted Beats. Maybe they wanted something else. So the point of it is you can lead somebody here to your emails where you can build an email list and have a long-term business. So in case Instagram one day shuts me down, I can still follow up with people here. Now, the way for you to crush it in 2022 is, put my face back over here actually. The way for you to crush it in 2022, partner up with one company that you believe in. One high ticket company that can pay you anywhere from $500 to $1,000 to $1,500. Stick with that one company. Promote them. Promote them for a month. Promote them for 2 months. Non-stop. Every day create a content about it. See how the results play out for you. When I did it, when I first started in August of 2020, I said, you know what? I'm going to partner up with this company. I'm going to post content every single day. Every day I did about 3, 4, 5 videos, simple videos. They were like 30 seconds long. And I uploaded them on TikTok. That was August of 2020. By the end of August of 2020, I had made over $2,500. And it was because that company that I partnered with, I believed in, they did the heavy lifting, and I was still able to do my job as a school teacher. So I would wake up in the mornings and I'd be like, oh man, I just made $1,000. It's possible. It's real. It's not a scam. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, what company can I partner with? How do I learn more about this? I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description where you learn the 3-step system that shows you how to set this up from A to Z. You can get this up and running within a week. It shows you how to set up the tools. You can even become a partner with the same company. So, it's very inexpensive. You can get it for as little as $7. But I do understand that some of you may want more hands-on work. You want someone you can turn to, such as a mentor. I do run a monthly coaching mentorship program where I show people my exact strategies of how I've been able to reach 6 figures in less than a year, how I was able to quit my job in 10 months doing this exact thing. I show you the products I promote. I show you how I promote them, where I promote them, step by step. If that is something you want to look into, I will leave a link in the description. I do require an application to be filled out just because I want to work with serious people that want to grow and want to crush 2022 even faster. Because if you know, in order to succeed a lot faster, it's best to have a mentor. I'm happy to be that for you. I've helped other people quit their job. I've helped other people reach 4 or 5 figures every month. It just really depends on you and what you want. So again, I will leave the link in the description for the self-paced training. Very inexpensive compared to all the value you can get. And I will leave a link to the application process to possibly join me on my monthly group coaching. So there's no reason for you not to crush 2022. Ask yourself why you want to do this. Are you tired of being where you are right now? If it's a yes, you may want to look into this. Are you tired of being scammed? If that's a yes, you may want to look into this. Do you feel like your job is not getting you where you want to be? Those are the questions you need to be asking. Because to me, in my opinion, time is everything. Time is everything. My job can pay me six figures, but if I'm there 18 hours a day, that's not me. That's not for me. I want to be with my family as much as I can. So if that's something you want to do too, this may be the opportunity for you. Now, I will say this. Again, this does not happen overnight. You need to take it seriously. 1 to 2 hours a day. You have to stay consistent. So, again, my name is Sergio. I'm with Sixtos Elite. Follow up with me if you haven't. If you like this video, please drop a like. If you haven't already, subscribe. And drop a comment to something else you may want to see later in the future. So, y'all take care.